Today we are going to learn about Radix sort. So these are the unsorted numbers like 89, 12, 43, 56, 71 and 60. So first of all we will perform pass 0. During pass 0, so there are 9 means 0 to 9, that is total 10 buckets. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are the buckets. Bucket number 0, bucket number 1 and so on. So during pass 0, we will compare each digit's unit place number. Like for example in 89, the unit place digit is 9. In 12, unit place digit is 2. So to get the unit place digit, you have to perform the mod operation. So it will give result 9. So one by one, the first number is 89. So it is inserted in bucket number 9. 12 is inserted in bucket number 2. 43 is inserted in bucket number 3. It is very easy. 56 is inserted in bucket number 6. 71 bucket number 1. Match the last digit. And finally the 64 will be inserted in bucket number 4. So these buckets are nothing but queues. Q is a linear data structure which works on FIFO, that is first in first out principle. So now we will first pass is completed and now we will perform pass 1. So pass 1. During pass 1, you have to collect all these numbers from bucket number 0 to 9. So see here the numbers are 71, 12, 43, 64, 56 and 89. Now again we have to fill the buckets from 0 to 9. But this time we have to match the second digit, that is 10th place digit. So again create buckets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now compare the second number digit, that is 10 plus 71 is the inserted in bucket number 7, 12, 1, 43, 4, 64, 6, 56, 5, 89, 8. Now again collect these numbers from bucket number 0 to 9 as we have done in previous step, that is pass 0. Now collect the numbers. Here is your sorted output. It is 12, 43, 56, 64, 71 and 89. This is your sorted data. So in this way, if all the numbers are 2-digit numbers, then we need to perform 2 passes, that is pass 0 and pass 1. If one of the number is 3-digit number within these numbers, then we have to perform maximum 3 passes. So if all digits are of single digit numbers, then single pass will be sufficient for that. So in this way, Radix sort is performed. So during pass first, compare unit place digits and put the number in respective number digit, like 56 is inserted in 6 number digit. Collect all the numbers from bucket number 0 to bucket number 9 and finally again perform the pass 1 for the 10th place digit. Repeat the same process, compare the 10th place digit and insert in respective bucket and collect all the numbers. In final pass, that is pass 2, all the numbers you connect get sorted automatically. These are nothing but 10 queues which requires front and rear pointer. Front is used for deleting an element and rear is used for inserting an element. Thank you.